So hey guys, I'm Vladimir. As was mentioned, I'm from Czech Republic. I just came this week, to scope out Berlin, how it works here. So what we do is Smartsupp. It's a live chat with visitor recording. So just a quick few words about the business before we get to technical stuff. It helps you, of course, communicate with your customers, and at the same time, it's recording them. Right now, we have 900 paid customers, all monthly subscriptions. It's 2 months after launch. We have 50 customers in Germany alone, and we have around 30% month-to-month growth of revenue. But anyway, enough about the numbers. Let's look at the product. The live chat, I think most people in this room are familiar with it, is this little chat box you see in the right bottom corner. I will just switch to online right now. And yeah, voila, you can chat with the, it's usually businesses use it. So as a visitor, I can chat with the support of the website, to ask them questions about the product. That's like a usual stuff. What's unique about our live chat is that you can also, or it also records visitors automatically on your website. So you can see their mouse movement, and you can see the clicks and everything. It's like you are peeking over their shoulder. So let's look into the dashboard. I will show you how it looks. Let's switch back to offline, so no one will write me right now from our website. Anyway, this is how the dashboard looks, and this is the visitor recording feature. You can filter by URL, so you can filter out, for example, people who went through your conversion page and watch them, like what exactly they did on your website, or in a web shop. Typically, you can look for people who are in a shopping basket, which is like useful because they can get lost there, and it's very important. So here I have a few recordings. Let's play this one. So the yellow dot is the mouse. If the guy clicks, then it makes like another dot, so you can see where he clicked. And you just like watching what he did on your website. So compared like to Google Analytics or heat maps, the heat maps give you like quantitative feedback. This gives you like qualitative feedback. There's also more visitor recording solutions out there, so this is also not like exactly super new. But what's nice about it, we can record JavaScript sites. So for example, one-page applications, like single-page web applications. For example, our dashboard, which I just showed you, is a single-page application, and this guy will get to the dashboard in a minute, and it's recording everything, scrolling, all windows in our dashboard, and also a few other. Several other companies with web applications are testing it right now, and it works for them. For example, like Portade is sitting right here, my friends, they are using it as well, and it's tracking their application. So now you see that he is actually in the dashboard. So it's recording JavaScript, single page dashboard, everything, and there is very few companies who can do that. At least I know of, so I think that's nice. Another nice thing about this, it can be used, of course, as an analytics tool, like for user testing. But because it's inside the live chat, it also has like a support element to it. You can see here, this is like the overview of the records on the website of the visitors, and you see the names. So you know who exactly is the guy who are looking at the record you are looking at. You know who it is. So for example, a typical use case is someone calls you on support and tells us, I had a problem with your website, the billing wasn't working for me, something. And the customer can usually describe what the problem was, so you don't know if it's like bullshitting you, maybe he didn't understand the website, or if there's actually a bug in your website. But you can just say, okay, Mr. Schmidt, so let me check, and you will look on his exact recording, and you will see what he actually did, so then you know, okay, maybe it's really a bug, oh no, he's just bullshitting me, So it's very useful for support. Where we want to go with this, right now there's like a stream of these recordings, so once the visitor leaves the website, the recordings pop up in here. And where we want to go is we want to have it in real time. So while you are chatting with the visitor right now, who's on your website, then you can like switch a tab and you can also see what he does. So it's like you chat with him and you see what he's doing, which is like a great synergy of like live chat and visitor recording together. So yeah, that's basically it. That's our product, and because we are from Czech Republic, I also have I also have a local regional drink, Slivovica. We have our own branded Slivovica, which is like a regional drink from Czech Republic. So if anyone wants to talk to me, you can have a drink. Also for anyone who has a question, there is a free drink. So just talk to me. We have our own branded bottles. Can you pick it up, the bottle? Show them the bottle. Yeah, you see it's Smartsupp. It's Smartsupp. Yeah, thank you. It's a Smartsupp bottle because our co-founder, his father is actually making it because he's from a village. Our co-founder, so his father is making this Slivovica, so it's our own branded alcoholic drink, which I can share with you. And of course, we are looking for people who would like to beta test. This feature, the visitor recording, is still in beta. So if anyone wants to join and try it out, you can just register for a live chat, then write me on on my email, and I can activate you the visitor recording, and you can test it out if you have a web application or just any kind of website area you want to try it. So thank you. That's all for me. And any questions, of course. Who has questions? The free Slivovica right there.
So at which points does the live recording start? Starts it when I visit your web page, or
Sorry?
when I start a chat request?
It's automatically when you enter the web page.
This sounds like a privacy nightmare.
Like what? What nightmare?
Like a privacy nightmare.
Privacy nightmare. I knew someone would ask the question because it's Germany, right? And well, you know, it's like cookies. You know, everyone saves cookies, so you just notify us that you save cookies. Regarding this, there's like no legislation for this right now, but there's already several companies doing it. Some of them can't record JavaScript, but they record the website. It's already like a proven business model. They're like Mouseflow, you know, Inspectlet, and if you know Clicktail, companies like that, they already do it for years. So it's not something that the European Union will ban. You know, it's out there for a long time. So I wouldn't be worried about the privacy. I'm from Czech. What do you want to say? No, I'm kidding. But really, it's like cookies. Yeah, you track the visitor. It might be like on the edge, but your website is your property essentially. It's like if someone enters your house and I just want to say like if someone enters your house and you record him in your house, it's your house, it's your property. Your website is your property, so you can record people. Okay. Next question, please.
Regarding your client side, if I got it correctly, you have some kind of plugin for browsers, am I correct?
It's not a plugin for browser, it's just you enter a short code into your website. That's the live chat code. It automatically records the visitors as well.
Okay, then.
It's like Google Analytics code.
Okay, then the question is how much cross-platform is this solution? What do you support? I mean, browser-wise.
It works on every website, if that's what you mean. Like any platform, it can be PrestaShop, it can be anything. That's what you mean?
I mean, browsers, for instance.
Browsers. It works on any browser. We didn't really notice any, like, it wouldn't support one specific browser. It just works everywhere. It's like if you put Google Analytics on your website, it just works everywhere.
Okay.
Go for it.
What are you actually recording? I mean, is it a video or?
It's not exactly a video. I knew someone would ask that. This meetup is more technical than I thought. I knew it would be technical, but this is more technical than I thought. So I have to say I don't need the exact background how we do the recording, but it's of course not a video. It's like we save the coordinates of your mouse and some other stuff, and then we project it on the other side. I'm not a developer exactly, but that's what we do.
So, for a question, if the website changes,
You mean, how do you mean this exactly?
the underlying website changes and you want to record the mouse gestures, am I going to see something that's normal than screenshots? Yes, screenshots.
It's I don't know the technical background of this, but no, it's cool. Just talk to me later. I can connect you with my developer, and we can explain some more stuff of this. But just to mention, I didn't mention what we code this in. The dashboard is in JavaScript, like more specifically CoffeeScript, and we use Node.js on server. So like front end CoffeeScript, back end Node.js. Okay, sorry. Talk to me later.
Hi.
Hello.
2 questions. The first one is, how large is the overhead payload?
If it's like slows down the website when you're recording everyone, that's very big thing.
Just this. I mean, the library that is going, that's on the on-site in a browser, it's not that large, or what you're saying?
We noticed some bigger clients who have 1 million visitors a month reported to us that it slows down the load time on Firefox a little bit. So as it's still in beta, we are optimizing it. So the load time is of course an issue, but tens of clients are using it, and only few of them said it affects the load time. So we are working on that, but mostly it's fine. Depends on your visitor load. Like if it's more than 1 million, we are still working on that.
Okay.
If that answers the question.
And the second one is about mobile applications. I mean, mobiles. How is it working there? Is the tracking available?
Native applications. It doesn't record native applications like that. That's
but mobile browsers.
Yes,
Chrome.
it works. I have to say we didn't get too much feedback on this yet. Like it records even if you are on a mobile or tablet, it will record the session as well, and you will see that the screen size is different, so you can see it's a mobile. But I have to say it's not like 100 customers tested exactly the mobile, so there can be some issues maybe. It's not been like exactly optimized for mobile yet, but it should work.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.